we will study a very delicious lesson about last time we finished the two-dimensional shapes, and we know what about square and what is rectangle. In the first, do you love pizza?
Yes.
Yes, all of us love pizza. If you enter a restaurant and order a pizza, the waiter bring you a pizza with its shape. What is the shape of the pizza?
A circle.
Circle, excellent. What is the shape of the moon on the sky?
A circle.
Circle. Today's lesson is about the circle. What is circle? It is one-dimensional shape or two-dimensional shape?
It's a two-dimensional.
Two-dimensional shape. Excellent. Circle, for example, such as a coin. What circle consists? What is the dimensions of circle? This is what we want to know now. This is a circle. In center of circle we have a point is called center. We can read the circle with the center point. We say circle O, as the name of circle is by center. Such as we read a rectangle with its vertices. Such as we say ABCD rectangle, we say here circle O. If we draw a line from O to any point on the edge of the circle, what this distance is called? We can call
OA
is a radius. So OA is a radius. In the distance between the center to any point on the edge of the circle is called radius. If we draw another distance from O to any point on the edge of the circle, we have two radiuses.
Yes.
It's called a diameter. It's called a diameter. So the diameter is a segment line between passes through 2 points on the circle. This is the circle. In a plane, each point of the circle is equal a distance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center
of the circle.
Of that circle. What is radius? Center equal O. O to A is called OA is a radius. We said the distance from the center to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Then the radius equal OA. What about the diameter? What about the diameter? The diameter is a segment line between 2 points. It starts from A to B, but it must pass through the center we call this line the diameter. So the diameter of the circle is OA. It's a segment line between 2 points A and B, passing through the center of the circle. So now, what is the diameter? It is the distance between the center to any point on the edge of circle.
No,
the diameter is a segment line between 2 points on the edge of circle, passing through the center. What is the distance between the center and any point on the edge? It's
a radius.
A radius, excellent. This is the diameter. Okay. Now we want any shape, such as rectangle or square. We calculate the outer length of the shape. It's called the perimeter of the shape. But in circle, it's a special case. We call the outer or the length around this shape is circumference. Circumference. How we can calculate the circumference? Can we use ruler?
No.
No, because a curved line.
Not a straight line.
So we must have a rule to calculate the circumference. To calculate the circumference of circle, we must know the radius. the circumference, the length of the circle on the distance around it is called circumference of the circle. We must know the radius to calculate the circumference. The rule of circumference is 2 times pi times r. Pi is a constant equal to 22/7. Okay? For example, this is the diameter. This is the rule to calculate the circumference. We must have a relation between radius and the diameter. We know that the radius from O to A and the diameter from A to B. So one diameter equal 2 radius. So the radius equal AB diameter over 2. Radius equal diameter over 2. The length of diameter over 2. OB equal AB, all of AB is the diameter over 2. For example, to calculate the circumference. If the diameter of the circle is 10 centimeters, then find its radius. We have the diameter, and we have a relation between diameter and radius. Radius equal diameter over 2. Then radius equal diameter, which is 10 centimeter over 2 equal 5 centimeter. The diameter equal 10 centimeter. Solution radius equal diameter over 2. Then radius equal 10 centimeter over 2. Radius equal 5 centimeter. Another example. If radius of circle is 6 centimeters, then find the diameter of the circle. It's the opposite. We have the radius and we want to find the diameter. Then diameter equal
radius times 2.
Radius times 2, excellent. Radius times 2, then the diameter equal 12 centimeter. Relation between diameter and circumference. To find the circumference, we said that we must have radius or diameter. If we have radius, then the rule equal 2 times pi times r. If we have diameter, then circumference equal 3 times d, approximately, because pi equals 3.142. For example, to calculate the circumference. Circumference equals 3 times diameter, approximately. For example, find the circumference of the circle whose diameter is 10 centimeter. We said that circumference equal
3 times the diameter.
Okay, very good. 3 times diameter. 3 times the length of diameter is 10 centimeters. Then circumference equal
30 centimeters.
3 times 10 equal 30 centimeters. 3 times diameter, circumference equal 3 times 10 centimeters. Then circumference equal 30 centimeters. This is our lesson today. We want to concept checking. What is the relation between radius and diameter of circle?
The radius is half the diameter,
Okay.
or the diameter is 2 times the radius.
Excellent. The diameter equal radius equal diameter over 2, or diameter equal radius times 2. What is the relation between circumference and diameter of the circle?
The circumference is 3 times the diameter approximately.
Excellent. But why?
Because 2 pi r, so pi times the diameter, and pi is almost 3.
Yes, exactly. In this figure, we have a circle with center O. O is
Is the center.
OA or O